It's been over a week since I put the blocked up the window there, and I'm needing me space back because all those tools and clamps are on a bench, so I kind of need to put my space back. Not that I've got much space, but I need it back, the very little that I have. So what I'm going to do is we're going to make a wee shelf, kind of thinking that it's going to continue along on the French cleat, so that if I want to move that shelf that I can. But first, I haven't decided whether I'm going to paint it or not. Probably not. I was thinking about filling in the gaps and then painting it, but I really don't like painting, so I've kind of decided against doing that and just make the shelf, I think.
Let's go make something.
I've got 8 tape measures, and I can only find one of the smaller ones, 1200. We want the French cleat to be at least 1200 long, so I'll see if I can go and find a bit that's 1200 long. Ah, let's start looking. So I'm just going to go and get a level. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see this. I've actually decided that that's long enough. I'm not going to do the full length because I got the shelf there anyway. Just adjusting it to the level. So if we look at the smaller shelf that I made years ago, what I need to do is to give it the support it requires and to push back against the wall. I've got to come down past the French cleat and then give it the angle bracket. And that actually can take a fair bit of weight because it's pushing back onto itself and it just sits in there. So I can actually push down on that and it takes a fair bit of weight. So I've got to just repeat basically that, but on a larger scale somehow. There's my shelf, and what I'm thinking, since I don't have enough space to put everything and keep my shop tidy, I built a new shop, but that would be asking a bit much for this video. So what I'm thinking, since this is not long enough, I'm going to cut maybe into 3 pieces and then have 2 end supports and a middle support. I'm going to set my first one up and we'll put a stop block in. Lock that in. Right, that there. There's half of that. So I know where I'm going. I'm running out of space on my bench because I can't put things away. So excuse my mess. You should be used to it by now, because the good thing with screwdriver, I can plug that in like that. And we rinse and repeat. So that will sit there like that. So it's now just sitting there, and as you can see, it's a little bit floppy. When it sits there, I could put a little bit of weight in as long as it's further back, but the further out, the weight distributes more forward, putting more pressure on the back, lifting it up. So that's what you need that triangle shape for, to come back down here to take the pressure off and support it all. So I now need to go and cut my struts. Can't come any lower than that. Else I won't be able to open my tool chest cabinet and therefore be a waste of time. So if I come down 200 should be enough. And I'm thinking just one on each inner portion here and here. And that way I only need to make 2 of them. I mean, the ply is going to be strong enough to hold whatever I put up there, so let's go and do that. So that's 40mm, so I'm going to cut it down now to make 2. So it's going to be 20mm to the middle of the blade. 20mm to the middle of the blade. Further down I go on my struts, the more support it actually gets. Just hold that there. That's where I want it cut. And we have both. They should be exactly the same. And they are. Perfect. Ooh. Well, that worked. So with the struts as they are, that shelf can take a fair bit of weight. Now if I get us another spacer and actually just put it in down here, that shelf can take a heck of a lot more weight because it's pushing on this. So what I need is a strut going across the base of that. So now I've got that done, you can actually see it's quite sturdy. I wouldn't put a heck of a lot of weight on it, but because of this part here, it's now, that triangle is in full effect. I have a shelf. Alright, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.